Jazz legend Jack DeJohnette dies at 83. Cause of death and final words revealed. The world of jazz has fallen silent today with the passing of Jack DeJohnette, the trailblazing drummer, composer, and pianist whose rhythms shaped generations of music. He has died at the age of 83 at his home in Kingston, New York, following complications from congestive heart failure. His family confirmed the heartbreaking news early Sunday morning, describing his final moments as peaceful, surrounded by love, sound, and the music that defined his life. A life written in rhythm. Born in Chicago, Illinois, in 1942, DeJohnette began his musical journey at the piano before finding his true calling behind the drums. Over a career that spanned more than 6 decades, he performed with legends like Miles Davis, Herbie Hancock, Keith Jarrett, and Sonny Rollins, becoming one of the most innovative and respected voices in modern jazz. From Bitches Brew to Parallel Realities, his sound was never just percussion. It was storytelling, movement, and emotion in motion. His drumming became a language that fused jazz, rock, and the spiritual, redefining what rhythm could be. Final words and legacy. Before his passing, DeJohnette shared his final words, a message that now echoes through the jazz community. Keep the rhythm going. The music never stops. Tributes have since poured in from across the world. Herbie Hancock called him the heartbeat of modern jazz, while Keith Jarrett said, "He was more than a drummer. He was my brother in sound." Though his hands have stilled, his rhythm remains, in every cymbal's echo, in every jazz student who learns to listen before they play, and in every moment where music brings people together. Jack DeJohnette, gone at 83, but his beat will never fade.